Alright guys, I got us a 2016 Ford Fiesta. Never driven one of these. Always wanted to drive a little Fiesta. This one has almost 181,000 miles on it. But it's a little white hatchback. It does have a check engine light. I got my code reader with me. I went out the car and got it. I'll hook it up and see what the code's for. But so far, she runs and drives pretty good. She's a little bit dirty, but she seems like she's pretty solid little rig. Look at that. Let's see. Blowing on us here. Well, she's a peppy little rig. Heck yeah, man. Not bad. I figured this thing would be slow as crap, but it isn't. It is a peppy little car. A little slow off the, there you go. Shifts good. Smooth little ride. I'm looking for something cheap to buy, y'all. Something cheap. And these run late in auction. This is a new car trade-in at the Kia store, and these run late in auction. So a lot of people have gone home. Might try and bid on this one. Let me see what this check engine light is on this thing. Make sure it's nothing, you know, crucial like catalytic converters. It's just an O2 sensor or something, you know, I can deal with that. A lot of times on these things, if it has that, where you fill it up, it doesn't have a cap on the gas lid. It's the capless gas refill. A lot of times that triggers the code. But let's just hook her up and we'll find out. Let me do a little walk around here for you. She's a pretty little car, just a little dirty on the inside. But got good tires on her. Walmart tires, good old Douglas Walmart tires. Hell, I just noticed it had a sunroof. No major body damage at all, or dents or dings. Clean little rig. Harbin Ford. Haven't heard of them. They must be out of towners. Door lock button. I bet the door lock button is on the dash. What do you want to bet? Maybe? Maybe? Yeah. Man, talk about a small back seat. Holy cow. No leg room, man. No leg room. Anyway, might bid on this one. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.